Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. This is the 13th of May, 2021, and this is my catch-up series for today. Last week, on the volatility 75 index, I said there was an area here and an order block on the VIX 75 where I can expect to see the market to run into before I take a trade, and I was not going to draw a Fibonacci unless I found some sort of resistance. So this was the resistance here, and you could see the market run into that 50%, and you can see where it went to. Now, drawing your fib like this for this new market movement, let's take this out. You could see that the market was consolidating. So right now we might just see this market run into this level, run back down into this level based on this level of consolidation that has been taken out. So we might just see this market run back down into this level. Keep in mind we are still on the bullish side of things. So the only way we can be a overall seller is if this higher low is taken out. So it means the market can even come down 100% and still go back up. Depending on how the candlestick close around this level, you know if this level is still holding or this level has broken. So we might just see the market run back down into this level for a continuation to the upside. Or we might just see go down to this level, break it, and we have a breaking structure and the bearish move starts. But looking at it like this with the confluence of the SMA and EMA, looks like the bearish side of the market wants to start. For the forex aspect, this is AUDUSD. The market was around here last week, where I said I was only going to be a buyer if this level is taken out. If this level here is taken out, and you can see that that level was taken out. All right, I said I was only going to be a buyer if that level was taken out. You can see that the level was taken out, broke that level, retested that level, and you could see how it went from there. So for now, we are in the retracement phase. I almost caught the sell yesterday. Yesterday was the first time I was looking at the market on lower time frame. I almost caught the sell, but I was busy. So that was it. Right now we are still in the retracing phase of the market. So we might just at least still see this market run back into this level here, run back into this whole level that it left, run back into that level and still find its way back up there. So this is the level I'll be looking at the market running into. So right now, this market looks like it wants to run into this level. So if it does that, we can still be in the buyer's market. This Fibonacci is, this counter trending Fibonacci is done. We might just see the market run into this level and still have a bullish side to go. The only way I'll be a seller, confirmed overall seller, is a break of this level. So might just see the market break this level and we have the market running downwards. GJ, I said the only way I was going to be a buyer is if there was a break of this level here. We could see that break of that level and up and away. I said I was going to be a seller if there was a break of this minor level here. And we saw that break of that level. We saw the retest. We saw that small push before that the break of that level. So there was some sort of order here that I took, but last it hit my SL. GU also, I said I was only going to be a seller if all these level here got taken out. You can see that that level held based on all these tiny doji candlesticks, and I said I was only going to be a buyer if there was a break of this level. You can see what level got broken and from where we went to. So for GJ, we have a Fibonacci like this now, where we expect the market to retrace to a certain level, but for now it looks like it's in a push phase. The market has been in a push phase for some days now, so we might just see this market coming back to this level, or if it doesn't, right now it's giving some sort of reason on how to take a buy. If you go on lower time frame, you can capitalize on that and you can make an entry, take an entry, and know where your stop loss will be. For GU now, looks like the market found some sort of resistance around here, around this level here, and that is why it's rejecting off of that level. So looks like it found some sort of resistance here, and it's a first touch of that level, and that's why we could see the rejection from that level. So this is another level where we might see the market run down into. So potentially we might just see this market run into this level, and overall we are on the bull side of the market. We've broken out of this downtrend consolidation. So we are in the bull side of the market, so we can expect this market for the coming days to just run into this level or lower to a lower level, consolidate and give a reason to either buy or continue selling. But for now, it looks like this small consolidation level has been taken out. If you go on lower time frame, you know how to draw your counter trending Fibonacci and capitalize on the sell. But for now, it looks like it's in a retracing phase, and that's the only way you can counter trend when you see a reason to counter trend. That's that. Then CHF JPY, I remember saying last week that it has given some sort of bullish engulfing around where was that, around this level, and I expected you guys to go on lower time frame to see how you could capitalize on the buy, and I said I was only going to be a seller if this level was taken out, and you can see how the buy played out. For now, we are still in the push phase on the bullish side of the CHF JPY. You can see the market range around the 23.6, so we have to adjust our Fibonacci somewhat higher. So give me a second. So 23.6 looks like it's still holding, so the only way I'll be a confirmed seller would be a break of this higher, this point here, for the market to run down to at least a confirmed PRZ level. But for now, it looks like it's on the bull side of the market. It might just run into this level first and somewhat higher, or it can get to this level, give some sort of bearish signal, and you find a way on how to capitalize on that. AUDUSD, I said overall it was on a bullish side, but I saw it retracing. If you draw the Fibonacci from low to high here, like this, you can see that I only said I was going to be a buyer when this level gets taken out. And you can see broke, retest, and off we go. Right now, the only way I'll be a seller is a break of this level here, but for now, we are on the bull side of the market. AUDUSD, I said I was only going to be a buyer with a break of this level, and this whole level here was a strong level before. So I expected some sort of rejection, but still I was on the bear side of the market. But I got that break of this level here, and you can see how the market has fared since then. Now, if you draw your Fibonacci, you got a break of this level, and there was a reason on how to counter trade this market. But still, we are on the bull side of the market. We are just in a retracement phase, so we can see this market push downwards. If it does not do that, it has to give a reason on how the buy market is ready, and we can go from there. USDCHF, I said I was only going to be a buyer with a break of this level here. And remember, I said if we drew this feed like this level based off of closed volume, it was not a type 2 market structure. So we can't call that a double bottom. And I expected the market to run back to that level. And we can see that the market went further. If you draw the feed like this, you can see that the market went further, and even further than the minus 61.8%. So right now we are on the retracing phase. Also, we are still on the bear side of the market, but regardless of that, we have to understand where we are in the market. So right now we are here like this. So potentially we can still see this market run down here. The only way you can buy this market for now, be a small buyer, is a break of this level. You would see some sort of bullish candle break, and maybe a candlestick retest of that level, and up and away. So that's that for my catch-up series. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and then follow on all social platforms at AUDUSD on Twitter and Instagram, at Yusha Mindsets, also on Instagram and Twitter, and King ALXNDA on Twitter and Instagram. Take care. Bye-bye.